Meron bang dance move sa hindi nasama na choreo on the official one na parang gusto nyo sana?
Yeah, just like we said, there's a lot of revisions and we had a lot of time kasi we were planning kung we were waiting for the right time to drop this song. So medyo matagal yung paggawa namin ng choreo nito. It was made even before Gigil released.
Yes.
That's how it was a long preparation.
So, can we say this? Yung ganyan nyo. Was that also part of the original? Hindi rin.
Pagkakaalam ko, ito parang medyo sa last part na namin nalagay.
Yes.
So, ang dami talaga na bago. So, halos
So long, wow.
80%.
Mga 10 mahigit yung revisions.
So, sa 10 mahigit, oh my gosh. But then at least, like Mickey said, it was a lot of time. Now let's go to the music video. I've seen the music video. It's a lot of fun. I've seen all your jobs, quote unquote.
Oh,
Yes.
Like, sino yung, si Akira yata was the barista?
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, that was memorable for me. The splashing of the water.
Binuhusan siya at pinalo ng tinapay.
Yeah, and then you jumped out over the counter yun. And then you started dancing. Yung formation nyo, it goes around, and then usually it highlights the person in the middle, kung sino yung kumakanta, right? Were you expecting the ending?
Nung meeting, actually parang napag-usapan na po namin yung mga possible na plot twists sa music video. And isa po yan sa nabato nila sa amin. And parang kami, gusto rin namin yung ganung plot twist kasi yung support din namin. And very nakakabigla talaga, literal na plot twist siya. So,
something fresh.
something new rin.
So, even yung, like, kung ano yung reaction nyo on the video was the same reaction I had. I was like, there's definitely something. It probably has a boyfriend. But then it was someone else. And I was like, oh, this is cool. That was so cool. Now we go to a question that we go back. Kasi yung tinanong ko kanina is, if you fall in love, para bang sa trash, right? Ngayon, we add the follow-up. Ganun pa rin ba? Even though alam mo sa huli, talo ka?
Grabe
Dapat
naman
maging
yan.
matalino tayo.
Hindi naman, just at, like, at the top of your head. Do you think?
Alam mo, ako kung alam kong talo ako,
Ba't ka palalaban?
ba't mo malalaman? I mean, just gotta work smart. Work hard, but work smart.
Tsaka yung pag kasi kung pipilitin mo pa yung sarili mo, yun nga, ikaw din talaga yung matatalo dami.
Yes.
Ikaw yung masasaktan ng sobra. Tsaka makakapapansin mo naman agad dyan if umpisa pa lang hindi ka na sobrang ini-entertain.
Yeah.
About love po ba to?
Kasi usually every Saturday talaga humuhugot kami. Ako lang pala. Kasi ako lang yung nandito sa studio. But no, it's like a random question that I've been thinking about. Na parang, especially since I saw the video nga, na parang, kasi you were willing to like give, according to the lyrics, willing to give out your past, throw it all away, that kind of thing. And then biglang, shucks, plot twist. Ayun. Pero hindi naman siguro sayang yun, right? They were like, yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Basta you gave your all, or wag yung all. Kailangan may matitira, right? But then you gave your best. Diba? Whatever you had to do. And then, nakita mo hindi. And then we move on. So, anyway. So, again, ayoko na kasi baka mamaya kung saan na naman mapunta yung usapan. Oo. Like, lumalayo kasi ako. But anyway, this is a question that I ask all my guests. Okay? If trash, this is very interesting. If meron kayong itatapon sa trash,
Boom, 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 boom.
anong itatapon nyo? If, or rather, if trash is a song, the song trash is like a thing that's basura, ano yung itatapon nyo?
Ako lahat ng stress ko po para hindi na ako masistress sa next na days and work.
Sige nga, ganun mo. Paano yung pagtapon ng stress? Nate.
Ay!
May group pa rin.
Ganun.
Oh, okay. 3 points. JL?
Ako siguro yung natapon ko sa trash is yung mga negative energy.
Gusto ko yun. Ayan. Hindi pa ganun yun? Diba ganun yung dance move nyo?
Pwede, ay, saan ba yun? Saan part po yun?
Hala, hindi.
May
Diba
ganun
may
sa
ganun?
dance namin.
Wala ba?
Parang wala po.
Wala! Okay, let's go with Jello naman.
Ako, itatapon ko sa trash yung mga doubts ko.
Ano daw?
Doubt.
Oh, doubts. Ang dami nun ah. Buong katawan yun ah.
May body weight.
May body weight pa. Mickey?
Ako, itatapon ko lahat ng mga pinagkainan ko.
Parang malinis.
Clean as you go. Kailangan matuto tayo dyan to help also yung ating mga mga F&B, fast food staff. Oh, ganun kami dito eh. So if you come here, you have to be like Mickey and clean as you go. And then si Akira,
Tatapon ko yung pagod.
pagod.
Para marami akong energy.
Yeah, para marami pa silang energy. Ayan. You still have the whole day. 'Di ba? So, medyo konti lang. Siguro ang nakuha ko lang sa inyo mga 10% ng energy nyo. So, you still have 90%, right?
Tama.
Diba? Ayan. And of course, definitely, please invite the Aces, your fan base here in Hong Kong, who are very happy to see you. And of course, to everyone else to listen to your new song.
Hi guys! Sa Team Aces Hong Kong, sa lahat ng Aces, sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo, our new single Trash is out now sa lahat ng streaming platforms worldwide and available at lumabas na rin po yung music video ng Trash sa official YouTube channel ng PGYO Official.
Yes, at para mas updated po kayo sa mga ganaps namin, you can follow us on our social media, BGYO_P.
There you go.
Once again, we are PGYO!
Yes. And of course, this is DJ Jin for Power Hits. And up next, it's Trash, the music video.
Let's go! Hey! 1, 2! Thank you po!